Today, we will talk about working in Belgium. Before I start, let me introduce myself. I am Cheryl Rose S. Dialong from the Institute of Business Management. So, let's start. Working in Belgium. Belgium is a country located in Western Europe, known for its rich country, cultural diversity, and a high standard of living. Okay, so let's discuss the employee requirements. First is visa. What is visa? Visa, an endorsement of a passport indicating that the holders is allowed to enter, live, or stay for a specific period of time in a country. There have three important things. First is citizens of non-EU countries need a visa to work in Belgium. Second, short-term visas are stay under 90 days. Third one is long-term visas are for stay over the 90 days. And other requirements, you may need health insurance. You may need a medical certification, proof of accommodation, proof of financial means, proof that you don't have a criminal record. And so that's the first requirements of employee.
Work permit. Foreign workers need a work permit to work as employees. Kung madto ta sa lain nga lugar, kailangan gyud nato maglukat og permit para makadto ta dito. And then self-employed professionals need a professional card and you can apply for a work permit online. Pwede na siya sa online karon kay na mura bitong na improve na through technology and working in Belgium digital service desk. You can learn more about work permits from immigration office and websites. Thank you.
Key aspect of Belgium working culture. Most employees of Belgium work a standard 8 hours a day and 40 hours a week with a clear lunch break, and they rarely work outside of these hours unless absolutely necessary.
Second, value for personal time. Belgians highly value their personal time and leisure activities, making it uncommon to contact colleagues outside of work hours. Third, formal business etiquette. Meetings are typically scheduled in advance. Punctuality is highly valued, and a more formal approach to business interactions is common. Important considerations: linguistic diversity. Belgium has three official languages: Dutch, French, and German, so being mindful of language usage in professional settings is crucial. That's all. Thank you.